We've got a person with a firearm, a criminal resisting arrest in downtown Vinewood. Attention all units. We have units requesting helicopter support. Over. Hollywood.
We're flying over now! We'll keep our eyes filled, dispatch. Dispatch, this is Eagle 4. Suspect is now heading south. Dispatch, we have a visual.